All right. This is going for the pegboard. I'm going to show you how to do this. Again, sketch. I'm going to sketch here. This is what I would do. I would draw a rectangle. Let's make it 1.5 by 3. And once I have that, I'm going to draw the circle here. And I'm not going to worry so much about if this is going to be perfect, but we're going to make that 0.5. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here, 0.5. Try to get them similar, just don't make them huge. Now put this all in the same sketch. Don't finish the sketch and then draw the circles. It's all in the same one. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go up here. We're going to click trim. We're going to cut that one and that line. And all I'm doing is clicking on the lines that I want to get rid of. Okay, and there we go. Once I finish it, you can see I have that. Now this is where we use the revolve tool. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to click on the axis that I want to revolve. Okay, and there's my mallet. All right, so there's my mallet. Now to make a hole in this, I'm going to have to do a sketch. Now everyone's going to be a little different here, and one of the easiest ways to do this is right here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click plane, and I'm going to click on this plane right here. Now watch, see how it makes a new plane for me? I'm going to take this arrow and I'm going to slide it. And I'm going to slide it relatively close. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can see, there it is. And now I'm going to finish it. So now I created another plane. So then I'm going to sketch. I'm going to click on this plane right here. And once I'm on that plane, there I am. I'm going to, just like you did before, couple different ways. You can draw a circle or this. I believe a circle works. And we're going to try to get it roughly in the middle. And I do a 5 divided by 8, so that's a 5/8 0.625 circle. Click OK, and now I got that. I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to click extrude, and this would be what we're going to do. We're going to click remove. Now you can see I'm not going to have that run all the way through there. I'm going to run it half. And there, now I have a hole in my mallet. Now, what we're going to do is you have to create a new part studio. This next part is really easy. So as I'm in this part studio, you can see I'm going to click on sketch, sketch there, top. Now my circle I'm going to draw is going to be 5 divided by 8 or 0.625. Okay, I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm then going to click extrude up here, click on extrude, and let's make that, I would say, 8. Okay, and there's going to be my handle. Now what we do is we go back to this assembly, and I'm going to insert this and this like that. And once I do that, green check mark, and now I have to do this. I have to go fasten, and you can see here I'm going to go on the top of this and click. And I got to fasten it to this, and you can kind of see how if I get the right angle, it'll work. See there, and I'm going to click right there. There, click those two. Now you can see you're like, wait a minute, I don't want that. So you can flip it like that and hit OK. And now there is my mallet.